Teachers, what is the scariest moment in your career? It was just another normal day until I saw something that froze me in place. A student holding what looked like a real gun. I told myself it must be fake, but I had to be sure. I stood up slowly, pretending to sharpen my pencil, heart pounding like a drum. The closer I got, the clearer it was. It was real. I whispered to my most trusted student, "Go get the assistant principal and tell him to call the police. Then leave, quickly." She nodded and slipped away. I sat down, trying to stay calm, but fear was crushing me. Every second felt like forever. Then the assistant principal came in, calm and steady, and asked the boy to come with him. The boy reached into his pocket. I held my breath. Then he just walked out. Minutes later, police arrived, cuffed him, and took him away. The nightmare was finally over.